Well, it seems apparent. Ang sabi mo, dinideny nila o hindi linilista si Martin, ano, yung aking pinsang buo, nakakaloka talaga, si Bonjing. Si Bonjing, hindi naman binabanggit. In addition to that, aside from the fact that they're somehow forgetting his name, there have also been very fervid denials that there is any direct link daw. Wala raw koneksyon. E napapakamot na naman ako ng ulo sa mga statement ng mga Rimulya. In interview mo, nakinig naman ako. Eh sabi ko nga, talaga naman guilty as sin naman, nagmula naman talaga dyan. So I'm wondering why this is occurring. Either two things could happen. I was thinking that perhaps after Saldico, he would be charged, but evidently that's not the case, when in fact that should have been. And thereafter, ija-jogging na lang yung kaso. Alam na natin yan, di ba? Ipopostpone ng ipopostpone, mamaya dismissed on technical grounds, may kakulangan, blah, blah, blah. Alam na natin. Pero in this case, in your face, talagang dinideny, pinagtatanggol, pinagtatakpan. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan na. The truth, nung August pa, nananagilid na kami. Paano nag-umpisa si Chairman Marcoleta? Mga backup kami doon sa Blue Ribbon, and we started investigating this flood control mess. And then we brought up the subjects of the unprogrammed, the 800 billion, pinakamalaking kitty ng DBM, the DPWH, and of course, all the insertions that magically appeared during the BICAM or the small BICAM in 2025. You will recall I never signed the 2025 budget either. And as a matter of fact, made a privileged speech in December 6th of 2024, urging E.S. Bersamin at that time and Secretary Amina, huwag papirmahin ang kapatid ko dyan, dadali tayo dyan.
So